The liver is a silent guardian, tirelessly filtering toxins from our bodies every second. Yet everyday toxins challenge this vital organ, threatening its youthful vigor and strength. Nature offers powerful allies, foods that shield the liver, renewing its vitality and resilience. Let's explore the 7 most powerful foods that guard your liver from toxins and keep it forever young. First, the humble garlic, rich in sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes to flush out toxins. Garlic's pungent aroma is a sign of its potent compounds working silently within. Next, the bright turmeric, a golden root famed for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, helps repair liver cells and reduce inflammation. The third ally is leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula, packed with chlorophyll to cleanse and protect. These greens act as natural detoxifiers, sweeping harmful chemicals away from the liver. Fourth, the bitter melon, a unique fruit known for its liver-protective antioxidants. Its bitter compounds stimulate bile production, aiding digestion and toxin elimination. Fifth, walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, support liver fat metabolism and reduce inflammation. Eating walnuts regularly can help prevent fatty liver disease and maintain youthful liver function. Sixth, green tea, a timeless beverage loaded with catechins that enhance liver detoxification. Catechins boost antioxidant activity, reducing oxidative stress on the liver cells. Finally, the vibrant beetroot, packed with betalains that support liver cleansing and regeneration. Beetroot stimulates antioxidant enzymes and promotes the breakdown of toxins efficiently. Together, these 7 foods form a natural fortress, guarding your liver's youth and strength. But protection is more than diet. It's a lifestyle embracing balance, mindfulness, and respect for your body. Stress, excess alcohol, and processed foods burden the liver, accelerating its aging. Choosing wholesome foods is a daily act of kindness to your liver's lifelong journey. Imagine your liver as a timeless garden, nurtured by the right nutrients and care. Each food is a seed, each choice a watering act, cultivating resilience and youth. The liver's strength mirrors the respect and attention we give it every day. In a world full of toxins, choosing these foods is an act of quiet rebellion and care. It's a promise to your body to nurture, protect, and honor its silent guardian. Remember, the liver renews itself, but only if given the right environment to heal. These 7 foods are keys, unlocking the door to that healing sanctuary within. Integrate them into your daily life and watch your liver flourish with renewed youthfulness. The journey to a forever young liver is a path of mindful choices and natural wisdom. Your liver's story is written daily. Choose to write one of strength, resilience, and vitality. In the dance of life, let your liver be the steadfast partner, vibrant and enduring. Embrace these foods, embrace life's vitality, and honor the silent guardian within. Your liver's youth is not a gift but a choice, nurtured by nature's finest offerings. Choose wisely, nourish deeply, and let your liver shine with timeless youth.